We need to use an app that allows us to transfer data from the old phone to your new POCO F7 Pro. And for example, we can use the MI Mover, which is pre-installed on your POCO F7 Pro. This will be easier for us because at least we have this app already on this phone, whereas on the old phone, if you don't have it, then of course you can download it using, for example, the Play Store or the App Store, depending on your system. For example, if you have iPhone, then of course you want to use App Store. So we're gonna search for MI Mover on your old phone. You want to do this on your old phone. I'm just gonna show you how to find it. And of course, this is the one, this is the app that we are looking for. So once you have it on your old phone, we're gonna open on both devices. And then here on our new phone, on POCO F7 Pro, we want to select that this is the new device. Now we need to select what is our old device. So if you had Xiaomi or Redmi or POCO, most likely you want to select this first option. If you had anything else, you want to select Android, unless of course you had an Apple device and you want to select this option. So in my case, I'm going to choose Android because this is not a Xiaomi device. Let's allow the permissions. Now we have the QR code that we can use in order to scan the QR code on our old phone to get the app. However, of course, we already have it, so we're gonna select installed. Now our POCO F7 Pro has created the hotspot for this old device. So on our old device in the MI Mover, we need to select old. And now we are waiting for these two devices to connect with each other. You should be able to find your device, so we can select it. If not, if you have issues with finding, then you can choose connect to the new device manually and then follow the instructions. So let's see if we can actually connect or if we have to manually connect. It seems that I cannot actually connect properly. That is okay, we're gonna just cancel. So if you have this issue, then let's go back, and this time we're gonna choose connect to the new device manually. So we want to select our hotspot, which is this name here. On our POCO, we want to select connect to the new device manually. And there we go, here is the password. So we need to enter the password. Okay, and let's connect. And let's see if we can actually connect. Let's give it another try. Alright, so once I entered the password again, I managed to finally connect. So now on our old phone, we can select what we want to transfer. So we can choose images, messages, contacts and call history, audio, video and documents, and third-party apps. Of course, you can uncheck whatever you wish to not transfer. So in my case, I'm just gonna transfer images, that's all. And then we're gonna press send. Now over here, select these 2 points. Don't turn off or switch the hotspot or Wi-Fi connection, and the device might get hot during this process. And let's send. Of course, in my case, it was quite fast. And there we go, we are all set, transfer successfully, so let's press done. And here we can also press done. And that is all. Everything that you selected should be now transferred to our new POCO F7 Pro. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.